Welcome to TNTG.
Yay!
Road to healthy lifestyle.
Yummy!
Welcome to TNTG.
Yay!
Road to healthy lifestyle.
Yummy!
So, hey guys, I told you guys I was gonna start a keto diet. I mean, I have already started like a keto diet, but then I was using like factor meal. And after like 1 month on factor meal, I decided to try to kind of get my meals together by myself. I mean, and this is my 7 days worth of food. I only eat like twice a day. That's how I kind of eat right now. And I do like my small portions. That's kind of the idea that I had with factor meal. So yeah, and I got my I got my recipes just online, looking to I was just looking on YouTube, Mediterranean diet I see online, and I decided to just make this ones for now, and then just one day at a time. I don't want to make so much different meals. It's gonna get tiring and I'm gonna give up. So I'm just gonna have to, kind of swap it, this in the morning, this in the evening, or sometimes I actually do my meal replacement during the day. So this is my shrimp, my veggie. That's chicken and broccoli and green beans. This is miss veggie and steak, and this is miss veggie and chicken. Most of the chicken part is usually my husband eats those ones, and I usually do like beef and shrimp, but I'll try this chicken. It's been a long time I ate chicken. All right guys, see ya.